Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I'll walk you through on how to get started with Spaceship.com. So do you want to build a professional website from scratch, which will be fast and a very secure website without spending a fortune? In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through on how to get started with Spaceship.com hosting, apply an exclusive discount link, and set up your WordPress website in a step-by-step manner. So stick with me and you'll have your website live in no time. So let's jump right into it. So for that, go to your browser and type over here geekyscript.com/spaceship. Hit enter. So that's going to redirect to the official site of Spaceship. Use the link that I am providing on our video description to get additional discounts. Once when you are here, you can change your currency from here. You need to click on this icon and you can change your language from this list. And similarly, you can also change your currency from here. So right now it is selected as US dollars. You can select to any currency you want from this list. For the time being, I'm going to proceed with US dollars and I'm going to click on hosting and I'm going to click on EasyWP. Here you need to scroll down and you need to click on pick a plan. That's going to redirect to this section. Here as you scroll down more, you can see we have all these three different plans. So EasyWP Supersonic, EasyWP Turbo and EasyWP Starter plans. And you can see the pricing here as well. So these are for the monthly plan, and as you click on yearly, it's going to show their yearly plans as well. So I always recommend you to go with yearly plan because that's going to save a lot of money for you guys. So for example, for EasyWP Turbo plans, monthly you will need about $9.88. So that's the monthly plan. But as you go to the yearly, you can see it is only $36.88. So you're going to save a lot of money as you go to their yearly plan. I always recommend to proceed with yearly. And the best part is first month is always free. So this is what you need to pay after the end of your trial. So that's the best part. And talking about features, you're going to get free SSL for all these three different plans along with free mailboxes as well. And that is powered by SpaceMail. And talking about other features, especially if you are starting off and you want to just simply build a very simple website, then I'll recommend you to go with their EasyWP starter plans. So it has limited storage, but you are anyway building a very simple website, so that should work completely fine for you. But let's say you are building a little larger applications, then you can simply go with EasyWP Turbo plans, as that's going to have about 50 gigs of storage and more CPU power as well, along with RAM. So this is the best choice, and you are going to get also good amount of discounts. You can see about 68% off. And let's say you really want to build a very professional website which is going to attract a lot of traffic. So that time you really need very powerful CPU. So then you can go with EasyWP Supersonic plan as well. So there you will get 4x more CPU power along with 2x more RAM as well. And storage also you can see double down to 100 gigs. And you can see the pricing as well. So always go with the yearly plan. Monthly plan is much costlier, but as you go to the yearly plan, you are going to save a lot of money. Right. Next, I'm going to switch this currency to my own currency, which is India. So I'm going to switch to India. You're going to proceed with your own currency. You can see the list here. You can choose any currency: New Zealand, Philippines, Singapore, Hong Kong, and whatnot. Euro, British, Canadian, everything. So you need to switch to your very own currency, and now you can see the pricing with respect to your currency at the moment. And we are going to proceed with EasyWP Turbo plan. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to start with very 30-day free trial. So let's first use it and then you decide. So click on try 30-day free, and here you need to log in. So if you don't have account, let's create an account first. So click on sign up, and here let's provide your first name, last name and your email ID, and then provide a very unique username, and after that click on next. Now it's time to provide a password, and after that click on sign up. that's going to send a code to your email ID. So you go to your mailbox and find a code and simply put that over here, and after that click on verify, and it is ready done. Now let's start setting up our EasyWP. So if you are starting off, then start with EasyWP account, or else if you already having a WordPress website and you just simply want to migrate, then you can proceed with this. I'm going to start with a new EasyWP account and I'm going to click on continue. Now it's time to connect the domain to EasyWP. So click on add domain. So here you need to provide your domain. If you don't have any domain, again on my previous videos I have showed you how to buy domain. So just put your very own domain name. I'll just simply provide my domain. I purchased one domain called taniagupta.online for one of my client. You can see it's already registered. So this domain could be registered to any platform. It need not to be from spaceship.com. Alright. So you just proceed with connect. So you can see it's an external domain. That's why it is showing external. Let's click on continue. Now let's connect to CDN, which is going to only help for faster loading speed and improved security. And the best part is it is completely free for the very first year. You can see the pricing, $0. Click on apply. Next click on continue. Let's also go with Spaceship Pro Mail. Again you can see that it is completely free for the very first year. You don't need to pay anything and you are going to get a free mailbox with 5 GB storage per mailbox. Wonderful, isn't it? So keep it default and click on continue. Now it's time to secure our domain. So for that you will need SSL, right? And the best thing is you are going to get positive SSL from spaceship.com. So go with that. Click on apply. And again, best part is for the very first year it is completely free. So go with that and click on continue. So now it's ready to unbox. So these are all the products. So check everything and then click on unbox. Here you need to provide your payment details. So this is checkout page. You need to provide your card details or any payment mode that you like to use. I'll just simply use my credit card. Add credit or debit card, and here I'm going to provide my card details. Next you need to provide your billing address as well. And after that click on save. Everything is done. Click on save. So your card details is rightly added. Now proceed with pay now. You don't need to pay anything. You can see it's $0 only. It's only to verify your card, and once your card is verified, you can see that our EasyWP Turbo is ready to be connected to your EasyWP account. You can also download your invoice from here. There is your receipt. And bingo, our products are ready. So let's click on configure products. So that will show you to configure your mailboxes. So for this video I'm going to skip this step and I'm going to prepare a detailed dedicated video on mailboxes in spaceship.com. So stay tuned for that. For now I'm going to skip this step, and here you can proceed with creating a brand new website, or if you are already having some existing website you can use those files and you can upload and you can go with that as well. For this video I'm going to go with creating a new website and I'm going to click on continue. Here you need to configure your website. This is a very important page. So provide your website name. So I purchased the domain as Tania Gupta. So that is my website name. If you go to our official geekyscript.com website, you can see as you hover over this, you can see the website name. It is geekyscript - your potential our passion. So that is my website name for Geekyscript. So whatever is your website name, you need to put that. For Spaceship, you can see as you hover over Spaceship, it is Spaceship. So that is the website name. You need to provide that same over here. So I'll provide Tania Gupta, since that is my website name. And then comes the admin username and password. You need to provide a username and password that you can remember. And here you can select what type of website that you are building. For me, just a portfolio website, so that's why I'm going to select portfolio and I'm going to click on configure products. So our unbox is complete. It's time to start creating, building and growing. So click on I am done. and there you go. So here you can see some of the spaceship.com universe, so some of their other products. You can always click on see more products and you can check them. For now I'm going to close this. Here I'm going to scroll up and I'm going to click on library and click on my account. So here as you scroll down you can see this EasyWP we just now purchased. So you go to manage and there you have it. So this is our domain and this is our WordPress website already created and installed. So our latest WordPress version is 6.9.4. So let's access our WordPress website. So click on WordPress and there you go. So we are successfully logged into our WordPress dashboard. And now you can easily switch on to your appearance and theme and you can select any theme you want and you can proceed with building your WordPress website. So do check all these different videos that I have created on this playlist, complete WordPress tutorial using Astro and Elementor. So that will really help you to build your professional WordPress website. So do check all these different videos. I'm sure you're going to love them. So yeah, so that's pretty much all about this video. You can see all these different options that are there. And you can also see this turbo plan, the one that you have opted for. So you need to pay only 3,432 rupees yearly. And now you are into your trial period of a month. So that's going to renew on May of 17th, 2026. So for a month you can use it for completely free. So yeah, so that's pretty much all about this video. Please do let me know on our comment sections whether this video really helped you to use spaceship.com. And also don't forget to subscribe our channel Geeky Script and also join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.